In a jungle wide and green lived Ellie the elephant. Bold and keen, she dreamed of seeing lands afar, beyond the river, past the star. One bright morning off she went with a pack of peanuts, her nose all bent through the tall and whispering trees. She marched along with the birds. She met a parrot, red and blue, who chirped, "Oh Ellie, where are you due? I'm off to find a golden lake where candy flowers bloom and bake." The parrot laughed and flapped his wings, "I'll come along and we'll both sing." So off they flew and stomped and sang. The jungle echoed with a clang, clang, clang. Next came Turtle, slow but wise, with sparkling dreams inside his eyes. "I've heard the golden lake is near, beyond the hills it will appear." Together they climbed, they splashed, they slid. Ellie helped when Turtle hid. Through vines that twirled and rocks that rolled, they followed stories once retold. At last they reached a field so wide, with a glimmering lake on the other side. Golden water, sweet and bright, shimmering under the silver light. Candy flowers lined the shore, chocolate trees and so much more. Ellie trumpeted loud with glee, "We found it, friends, just you and me." They danced around the sparkling shore, a day of joy forevermore. Then Ellie smiled and softly said, "Adventure blooms where dreams are led." Back to the jungle they went that night, under the stars so soft and bright. And every creature knew that day Ellie's courage led the way.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ilmi Noor.